Hey guys, welcome back to the video. It's me, Wolf Gamer, and today I'll be showing you some of my slimes. Okay, let's go. So, do that. So here's one of them. Sorry about my hands have been making slime. See if you can hear it. It's quite sticky, so it kind of needs some more activate on it, but I'll do that later. It's like a I think aqua, like when in real life it's actually raining, so that's my first slime, and that's, I'm pretty sure, a 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce. Say 1 ounce slime, so yeah, that's just one of them. And next, my big one. It's not really slime, but it's the best I can get. So that's a bit of it. Quite hard to get everything out. So this is what it looks like. What? Just so fun to poke. It's so thick. You don't know how thick it is. Okay. So, well, that's the end of the video. Bye!